Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, June 2nd. This is my PM recap for the US dollar yen. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord channel linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So otherwise, the US dollar yen did make a good push down today, and the thing is this is all lower highs right here. Definitely no reason to try to go long. Now we're closing below the 78% Fibonacci retracement of this last move up. Probably means we're not in a wave B. Probably means that this is actually going to go down and take out the previous lows. And because the very high time frames are in a downtrend, it could just possibly make another bounce and just continue the higher time frame downtrend. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. But as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.